Assalamu alaikum everybody, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. यहाँ पे I was in my point and I was about to reach university. यहाँ पे I was in the university. I decided to vlog today because आज we are going to visit Healthcare Expo 2025. हमारा दिन यूजुअली जो भी लेक्चर होता है एनाटमी का उससे स्टार्ट हुआ एंड आई couldn't believe that how time flight by. Now we are about to finish the locomotor module as well. So as soon as our lecture got over, we quickly took a rickshaw from outside the university और हम लोग जो है वो एक्सपो सेंटर के लिए निकल गए थे. This is my first ever time visiting the healthcare expo, so that's why I'm very much excited to see that what basically this expo has to offer us. यहाँ पे हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी वालों ने भी स्टॉल लगाया हुआ है, so I'm very excited to visit that as well. Finally, we have arrived on our destination. The banners had been put up. Then we headed on to the respective halls where the exhibition was happening. So this was its entrance. This was the whole view that how the entrance was basically looking like. So यहाँ पे there were a lot of stalls. Some stalls were displaying their medical and surgical equipment. Also some of them were offering the free medical test as well, where they checked our vitals. Also we spotted a stall by PNS Shifa जहाँ पे they were checking eyesight for free. So most of the stalls were also having their guidance session on how to CPR actually. As far as I remember, so I took 3 CPR sessions because as I told you, almost most of the stalls were having the CPR facility. They were guiding us on how to do the CPR and all. Moreover, there were a lot other healthcare brands and healthcare societies that were guiding people on what they have to offer. Honestly, I really enjoyed my time there and it was a good exposure. Then we came upstairs to buy the water bottle. तो वहाँ पे हमने देखा that over there the food stalls were also there, but हमने prefer किया that we will go out somewhere and then we will eat. So हम वहीं पे करीब में एक restaurant चले गए थे where we ordered the food. Honestly, the restaurant was not aesthetic at all and it was giving a शादी हॉल vibe. ऐसा लग रहा था कि रात को यहाँ पे बर्थडे पार्टीज होती हैं. But however, हमें तो जो है we wanted to have something to eat, so हम जो है यहाँ पे आ गए थे. हमने बिरयानी ऑर्डर की थी and it was pretty nice. It was good. And over here we were just calculating the bill, which is the main part of every hangout. Then one of our friend recommended us to try a dessert at Kebabji. This dessert is basically available at Kebabji Fried Chicken. They were offering this tin cake. This was the Choco Nafa flavor. They were having red velvet flavor and they were having the chocolate flavor. This was the chocolate flavor and then this was the red velvet flavor. We tried two flavors, chocolate and choco nafa, and I really liked choco nafa. It was a 10 on 10. So after enjoying our dessert at Kebabji's Fried Chicken, we all booked our rides and went home. Alhamdulillah, it was a day well spent. Please don't forget to say mashallah for me. So that was it for today's video. See you guys in another med school related content. Allah Hafiz everyone.